In the last week update, we discussed the divergence of the price from the moving average and the possibility for it to converge, the series of bull run, and then a reversal sign. Beautifully, Nasdaq 100 gone crashing and has achieved 16,180 levels. Now, can we expect a further sharper drop in the coming week? Can we expect the Nasdaq 100 to move towards 15,600, 15,500 levels soon? Or is it again going to reverse and bounce back? What is going to be our strategy? Profit trading Nasdaq 100 in the coming week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share twice a day update for Tech 100. First is with Asia and Europe session. Next is before the US session and before the. Thus, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates and make an informed decision based on the daily and weekly reviews. Also, if you have not become a channel member yet, become a channel member and support the effort. Press the join button and enjoy the perks here. The button is placed besides the subscribe icon. Let's start. And friends, before leaving the video, do like, share and comment. Every like, share and comment means to me a lot. Now let's begin with the monthly charts. Now look at the monthly charts. See, first of all, the base here is stronger base and a stronger rally retracement and then this rise. Yes, it could have given third bullish candle itself, but then you can say bullishness got diminished and now it has started its journey on the downside. See, the movement away from the 20 period moving average is far. We have seen it retracing earlier and it could again give us symmetrical formation here. Now what does this mean? We can expect these two symmetrical candles, and can we expect the next candle like this? There is a possibility to it, but let's stick to the current candle, current movement. In just 4 to 5 trading sessions, we have seen Tech 100 eliminating or erasing almost half of the gains from the previous month. Now only concern here is the flat opening of this, but yes, on the weekly charts there was a reversal sign and since then we have seen prices reversing. Now look at how far it can drop. We can expect it to form a symmetry and a slightly lower lows in the month, possibly, which makes 15,500 an achievable level, though the movement of price from the 20 period moving average is far above here. If you look at the stochastic, this is again enter into overbought zone and possibly this candle could be the reversal. Now look at the MACD here. On the MACD, see, we do not see any signs of bearishness as of now. First of all, we had a stronger bearish momentum in the year 22 where we had seen Tech 100 achieving the lows, and since then it has crossed over and continued to trade bullish. See, it is still divergent, it is still bullish, it is still looking upwards. Remember, it is still treated as bullish, it is still divergent and looking upwards. Possibly the next bearish candle in the coming week. After that, a bounce back cannot be denied. Thus, you have to be cautious here. RSI comfortable near to top though. Coming to weekly chart. Now look at weekly charts. See, this was the rise, divergence of the price from the moving average, sharp convergence towards the 50 period moving average. Again a sharper rally. Now it has started to look towards the moving average 20 period, which is still divergent and bullish. Now to confirmation, yes, from the monthly charts it is still appears to be bullish on the monthly chart candle, and on the weekly charts as well it is still divergent and bullish. So right now what we are looking is retracement, not a reversal. Now where we'll confirm it a reversal? We will confirm once the prices draws below 14,000. You can say now the prices have reversed and Nasdaq 100 is on the path of a sharper crash below 14,000 only. As long as it stays above this zone, possibly this is still to be treated as a retracement. Now those are far below levels from current levels. Right now it is placed at 16,300. Now look at the weekly chart. See, bullishness got diminished. We have seen the last candle with very smaller body. This was the reversal sign. With that as reversal sign, we have seen first bearish candle. Now if you see price is staying below 16,000 levels, we will look forward to 15,800, 700 as the first zone, then 600 and 500. This is the median of the Bollinger Band. This is the 20 period exponential moving average, and chances for it to converge towards these levels exist strong. Now, from the current levels, it is almost 800 to 700 points we are talking about. Anything and everything is possible. It is hardly any move for Tech 100 because while rising, we have seen stronger bullish momentum. Thus, while dropping, it can crash strongly as well. Thus, next week, first we have to wait for it to stay below 16,100 levels, which is going to be, or rather 16,000 levels. These two levels are going to play a very, very significant role. Then 16,800, 700, and then 600, 500 levels. Almost there are stronger supports as long as 16,500 is respected, but the possibility for it to retrace towards those levels exists. Now, look, we had discussed it is extremely overbought, it stayed overbought for weeks, and now it has started to look downwards. Does this mean that it can continue to drop towards oversold zone? There is a possibility which suggests that the coming candle and coming few weeks, possibly we can see bearish momentum prevailing here, and which can take Tech 100 on the downside. Now, look, we have discussed several times on the weekly charts, MACD has achieved extremely elevated levels here. After that, we have seen it retracing. Since then, it tried to retrace. See, it has achieved the peak. It has dropped here or reversed. Now it has retraced. After retracement, traded with divergence and now trying to converge. Couple of bearish candles here, and then it will cross over and continue its downward journey again. So it appears that Tech 100 has taken a reversal, and possibly if the next candle, which I expect to trade, be a bearish candle in the coming week, will lead it to more fall in the coming few weeks. RSI has just come out of the overbought zone. Coming to daily, now look at daily chart. See, prices were divergent here from the 20 period moving average, and the moving averages were trading with extreme divergence. How many times in our daily and weekly review we have discussed this? This is the too much of divergence, possibility for convergence exists strong. What has happened? Prices have taken a sharp turn. It has come towards the 50 period moving average. Now it has achieved the 50 period moving average. Interesting point to observe here is, see, with every candle, the bearishness got diminished. Then in the last candle, we have seen a swing candle. Now, this could be a possible reversal candle where prices try to retrace a little on the upside. Now, where you should consider it a reversal, if the prices now stays above 16,430, 450 zone, we can say that it is now trying to retrace a little, and then we can expect it to move towards 550 and 600 levels. 600 is going to be a first resistance zone, and then 680 levels should be the next resistance zone. Yes, it can try to retrace a little before looking downwards. Be watchful. We have seen sharp drop. Moving averages have now started to look downwards. That is certainly a bearish sign. Now, if it trades below this zone and the 50 period moving average sitting at 16,200, 180, we have to wait. We have to wait and watch out the support levels here. Now 16,000 is a critical support level indeed, and then 15,800. This is going to be the important support zone for Tech 100 in the coming few days, below which we will look forward to 15,500, 600 levels as the next target. So yes, possibly couple of trading sessions from now, it could retrace a little on the upside before looking downwards. Stochastic has come to oversold, which means it could retrace a little. Couple of bearish sessions, bullish sessions can be expected. Now look at the daily or MACD on the daily charts. Double top on MACD, extremely elevated levels. From these levels, always Tech 100 tries to look downwards, and this is historically seen, and I have always maintained the same in my daily view as well. Now look what has happened. Too much of divergence, though it does not mean that it cannot diverge more, but in general it is seen that from such divergence it tries to converge a little, which suggests that there could be couple or more retracement candles from the current levels taking it till towards 16,600. There is a probability to it, but then again later we can see it falling down. Looking down as well. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now on the 4-hour charts, what has happened? This was the crossover, bearish crossover. Since then, prices traded bearish. Prices achieved the lows and were divergent from the moving average. It has achieved the moving average. now sitting at 16,400, 430. Thus, it is very important for Tech 100 to break beyond 16,430 levels in order to confirm further rise. And then we can look forward to 16,550, 600 zone as the next targets. Yes, there is a little possibility that it could retrace towards this zone. At least if not, then 16,500 possibility is there. For next couple of trading sessions, we can see it retracing, and then again the downward journey may begin. Stochastic rising. Now see why this also confirms that retracement is possible. Look at the MACD almost hitting the bottom here. From the bottom levels, it was divergent, it has crossed over, and it could continue on the upside from the current level. Thus, a possible retracement on the upside can be expected on the first or second trading sessions in the coming week. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, oversold zone. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week. And before I give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join the 28th mentorship batch commencing on 3rd week of January. Dates are announced. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for any queries. And yes, your all the queries are answered on my platform www.forexfunda.com. This platform has much more to offer. The economic calendar with live data releases along with the actual forecast and historical values and the sentiments are mentioned there, are available there. This is a live release of data across the globe. Second is the charts with advanced tools. You can search for your favorite instruments, do the charting there live, and take a position. Also, you can discuss the same with the forum members, the community members there. You can share your knowledge and discuss with the community members. And the last one is you can schedule a call with me, you can book a consultation with me, and this consultation is completely free if you're part of my webinar series where every Sunday we discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. And if you just want to trade as per the signals on my signals channel on Telegram, reach out to me. For more details, join the VIP signals channel. Now, first let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 16,330 levels. Remember 16,330, 16,360. This is the first resistance zone. Then we will look forward to 16,380, or rather I will say 16,430 is the next resistance, which is going to be a critical resistance, or I will say it 420, 430, very, very strong resistance here. If Tech 100 is seen trading above this, certainly we are looking forward to 16,500. This is the next milestone. And remember, even if it breaks past 16,500, it is still not bullish. 16,550 is the next target, and then 16,600. Now, this is going to be the next key resistance level. Be careful here. Be careful here. And anyway, this zone is there as the stronger resistance. Now, possibility for Tech 100 to move towards this level in the coming week exists. And from those levels, again, prices might reverse. Be watchful here. Beyond 16,600 is where the bullishness will prevail, where we can look forward to 16,660, 16,720, and then though the chances appears to be very, very less that these levels will be seen any point of time soon. But yes, if it breaks past by 16,800, sky is the limit. Forget that you are bearish, forget that market are bearish. It is going to rise strongly. On the downside, now where to sell? You can sell here, or you can consider this as bearish. If it stays below 16,270, expect 16,240, 16,180 as the next support levels, and below this I will expect it to move towards 16,100 levels as the next target. This is very, very important. And 16,000 the next critical support level. 16,000, 15,970. This is the support. Any point of time, if Tech 100 is seen trading below this zone, expect that it is going to move towards 15,800 very, very soon. And once it trades below 16,800, consider that this time we are looking forward to 15,600 and 15,500 levels. And these are certainly achievable levels in the near future. I will definitely watch out for. These are going to be critical levels. Watch out closely how it behaves at around 16,000 to 16,200 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my webinar series. Visit the platform forexwonder.com or join my free Telegram channel to get the live updates. See you again with the daily updates twice a day. Do not miss that. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Thank you. Have a great profitable week ahead. Thank